sending out offers, submitting bids, and they are your best resource to dialing in your acquisitions criteria. Welcome to the Underwriting and Support Desk. As a preferred hedge fund partner, our team is committed to your success and we're here to assist every step of the way. To best use the Underwriting and Support Desk, there's two primary emails that we'll be utilizing. We have lisa@cashpropertyoffers.com as well as closings@cashpropertyoffers.com. Now these two ladies work around the clock. They've submitted hundreds upon hundreds of deals, and we've wholesaled hundreds of deals directly to Wall Street. These ladies are behind the scenes in the trenches, sending out offers, submitting bids, and they are your best resource to dialing in your acquisitions criteria. So when you're on the hunt and you're moving towards the pursuit of a new wholesale deal, let's say you got 123 Main Street that just came across your pipeline, but you're a little bit uncertain on what you can offer for this property. Well, our team is here to help assist you to give you a higher rate of confidence when you're negotiating with these sellers. However, whenever you submit one of these properties, there's a couple simple things that we ask that you follow through with in any submissions, and they're outlined in the criteria below here. Number one, in the message title, make sure that you title the message with the property address, so 123 Main Street, /support. This helps title it to our team so that we can assist you in addressing response and communication with this submission. Number two, in the message body, we want as much detailed information about the property as possible, meaning what is the seller's asking price, what is the condition of the property, any major roof or AC replacements that need done. The more information that you can provide our team, the better. Again, we've underwritten, supported thousands of deals, and this helps them to really dial in and make sure that they're giving you numbers that are close and in alignment with the numbers that the hedge funds are going to be offering for these houses. So again, the Underwriting and Support Desk is here to help you guys grow, to help you step into negotiations and conversations with your sellers, and you can step into those with confidence. Our goal is to help you maximize your deal flow as we help you build massive real estate success through the vehicle of wholesaling real estate. Get out there, guys. Make it great. We're excited to see you win.